Imagine having a sales team that works 24/7, never misses a lead, and sounds completely human every time.
I'm Michael, and together with Zola, we're from LearnersCare AI, the platform that turns leads into booked appointments automatically.
Upload your leads, teach the AI your pitch, and launch branded voice agents that call, qualify, and schedule meetings, all on autopilot.
No chasing, no missed calls, no late-night follow-ups. The system works tirelessly, so you never lose a single opportunity.
These aren't robotic voices. These are human-quality AI agents that handle objections naturally and keep conversations flowing. You stay in control, your brand, your message, your clients. LearnersCare AI gives you unlimited agents, calendar integration, recordings, and transcripts to optimize every call. Scale your outreach instantly. Sell this as a service to clients, or multiply your own sales team overnight with consistent results. Businesses across real estate, coaching, wellness, home services, and SaaS are already turning more leads into loyal clients and appointments effortlessly. Setup takes minutes. Upload leads, select a script, launch your agents, and watch appointments appear automatically. Every call is recorded and transcribed, letting you improve, train, and convert more prospects with every campaign.
No coding, no complicated setup. Just plug in your leads and watch AI generate predictable revenue for your business.
And here's how it works. Let me show you a live demo.
Hello, Ria.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Ria. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks.
I'm Sarah from
Hello, who's this?
I'm Sarah from LearnersCare AI Calling Automation Agency. We help businesses automate client calls or even start their own branded AI calling agency. Do you have a minute to hear how this could benefit your business?
All right, go on.
Awesome. For just $29, you get instant access to our AI calling system with full training. You can either automate calls for your own business to connect with clients and grow revenue, most see results in 7 to 14 days, or launch your own AI calling agency under your brand, sell subscription packages, and earn recurring monthly revenue. It's fully automated and scalable.
Okay.
The easiest way to get started is to visit our website, learnerscare.shop. That's LearnersCare.shop. You'll see demos, training, and can start immediately. Ria, thank you so much for your time today, and I really hope to see you on the website soon. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ria. Have a great day.
Ready to start earning real revenue immediately?
Get full access today and launch your first AI-powered campaign for only $29.
Get started with $29 now and see your pipeline fill faster than ever.